I pay for a new one, and I got use it. Please, this is leftover stuff for somebody who used it before. I think it's not fair if you send me used stuff.
All right, so here it is. Inside here is your bean, which is my Hawaiian beans, which is fantastic. That one's the best. They're whole beans. Then you go here and you make your selection as to what type you want. See? I love that one. Cafe, I love that one. But today I'm gonna make a cappuccino. So it's grinding. This is a warmer. You can put little cups up there and warm them up. So it pulls your cappuccino. This little part is little milk to froth it. And that's it for the cappuccino, but because I always ask for an extra shot of espresso, I can grab an espresso here. It's gonna pull another shot. Super easy to clean, very, very easy. That's your shot. You can always make whatever, condiments you want. I have like all my little condiments here. My favorite's that chai tea. Then you just pump your little chai tea in there, pop, 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 or whatever you want, caramel, hazelnut, whatever. There you go. Yummy.